Yo, boy, this gotta be the top 5 worst hairline genetics I ever seen. Like, he literally looks like the next door neighbor. Wait, I'll let the neighbor babysit the dog. Oh, hell no. Man, I'm gonna miss you, Simba. You getting released back to the jungle, King. You ready? Oh, hell no. Hey, yo!
Hey, what you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hands. Let me see your hands. Stop resisting.
Yo, my man, what you doing? That's a little puppy, bro. Get him, boys. Excuse me, everybody. This dog is here to meet a little puppy. Come on, Coco. It's time to go. Let's go. Hurry up. Wait, slow down.